So good morning students. So let me come to the next problem. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola. In previous video classes we have completed that is 8 problems regarding the application of integration. So let me come to the 9th problem. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola. Y square is equal to what we have here? Y square is equal to x square. And the y is equal to mod x. Mod x is a modulus function. We have already known how the graph of the modulus function, and y is equal to x square is a parabola. So we have to find out the area between this. So let me take that is both are symmetric about the coordinate axis, about its axis. So first, so this is a modulus function. We have the modulus function like this. It is also symmetric on both the axes. How much area it has? Here also that much area we have. Next we have a parabola. Y square is equal to x. X square means upward face and it is a positive. So again it is a upward face. So like this we have the parabola. So this is the parabola we have. Now we have to find out this area. E area consider point of intersection. So to find out the point, here x is positive. X is positive. X is negative. First we find out this point of intersection. If x is greater than 0, then y is equal to x. So then name that y is equal to x square. So now we have to find out the point of intersection, means we have to put this in this. Y is equal to x, and it implies that x equal to x square. So next x is equal to 1, x cancel, x equal to 1, and y is equal to 1. X equal to 1, y is equal to 1. 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. So area bounded by the between this we have to find out. Between ಅಂದ್ರೆ magnitude minus 30. ಎಲ್ಲಿ 0 to 1. Double twice ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. So that is area bounded by the parabola and the line. Area bounded by the parabola and the line y is equal to mod x is equal to area bounded by the parabola. So that is the line minus area bounded by the curve is equal to area bounded by total area between this. So 2 times ఇది ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತ್ರಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಐತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 times. So that is 2 times we will write here only, that is 2 times of area bounded by the what above ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇ line that is y is equal to mod x and minus area bounded by the parabola, that is y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. So is equal to 2 times of integration of integration ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ 0 to 1. So that is 2 times of 0 to 1. So ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ 0 to 1 is a positive, that is y dx we have to write bounded by x axis minus 0 to 1 bounded by x axis, that is y dx. So ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಐತಿ mod x 0 to 1 positive ಐತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x that is 2 times minus 0 to 1 y and y is equal to x square into dx, x square into. So now we can know how to integrate this. So shall I write that required area is equal to here magnitude. So area is equal to 2 times of x the integral x square by 2, that is 0 to 1, minus x cube, x square the integral into x cube by 3, that is 0 to 1, 0 to 1 is equal to 2 times of 1 by 2 available minus 0 minus 1 by 3 minus 0. So yes, I 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So LCM I shall 3 2 into LCM 6 and 3 6 LCM 3 minus 2 cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ 3 ಇದು 2 3 minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 2 1s are 2 3s are, that is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 square units 1 by 3 square units. We got the area of the region bounded by the parabola and the curve. So next we move to that is the another problem. Makam problem in the so next find the area bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y. Find the area, the region bounded by the parabola y square x square is equal to 4y and the line so that is x equal to 4y minus 2. X is equal to 4y minus 2. X equal to 4. So first parabola hangaitre, it is upward face. First parabola hangaitre, it is upward face. It is like this, upward face. Then x equal to 4y minus 2. X equal to 4y minus 2. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಏನು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತೂ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ y 0 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ x equal to -2 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ x equal to 0 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಟ್ಟು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 1 plus 2/4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ y equal to 1/2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ 1/2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ moves like this. So here we have to find out these 2 point of intersection. ಇವೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ, ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್. ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಲೈನ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿಂದು -30 ಕೆಳಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಕರ್ವ್ ಐತಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ x square is equal to 4y, x square is equal to 4y, then x is equal to 4y minus 2. So let me put this here. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, that is equal to ಇದರ ಹಾಕಿ. So that is 4y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4y. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ equation 1 ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿ, put 2 in 1. What happens? We know that is a plus b whole square formula ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So 16y square a square minus 2ab minus 2 into 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16y plus 4 is equal to 4y is equal to 4. Indicate number, that is 16y minus 20y plus 4 is equal to 0. 4 common ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. 4y square minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. Factorize ಮಾಡೋಣ. So we can factorize here. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? 4y square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4y square can be factorized 4y minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. 4y common ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. y minus 1 minus 1 common ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. y minus 1 equal to 0. y minus 1 into 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. y is equal to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 4y is equal to 1. y is equal to 1 by 4. y is equal to 1 by 4. Then y is equal to 1. y is equal to 1. So ಎರಡು ಏನದಾವ್ರಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ y is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 that is 1 and here we get y is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. First y is equal to 1 y is equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ. x ಏನೇ y equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x equal to 2 ಆಯ್ತು. y equal to 1 by 4 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x equal to ಏನು 1 by 4 minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು minus 1 comma 1 by 4 ಇದು 2 comma 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. minus 1 ಲಿಂದ 2 ಮಟ್ಟ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. minus 1 ಲಿಂದ 2 ಮಟ್ಟ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್? minus 1 to 2 ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ತಂದೇವ್ರಿ? x ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. bounded by x axis. ನೋಡಿ, area required area is equal to ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ area bounded by line minus area bounded by curve. area bounded by curve. So first area bounded ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಬೌಂಡ್ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ? minus 1 to 2. So that is minus 1 to 2 ಎದರ್ಲೇ ರೀ? y x axis. ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? y x minus integration minus 1 to 2 bounded by y dx. ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈನ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ವ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ 4y is equal to x plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. y is equal to x plus 2 divided by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಕರ್ವ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. y is equal to x square by 4. So let me substitute, that is integration minus 1 to 2. y ಯಾವತ್ತು ತಗೋತೀರಿ? ಲೈನ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಏನೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? x plus 2 divided by 4 minus integration minus 1 to 2 ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? x square by 4 into dx 1 by 4 ಎರಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ತಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. So let me take outside 1 by 4 as a common is equal to 1 by 4 integration minus 1 to 2 x plus 2 into dx minus integration minus 1 to 2 x square into dx. So that is equal to 1 by 4 x the integral is x square by 2 plus 2x, that is minus 1 to 2 minus x square the integral is x cube by 3 minus 1 to 2 minus 1 to 2. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ, upper limit minus lower limit. So shall I remove? No, upper limit ಏನೈತಿ is equal to 1 by 4 into upper limit ಏನೈತಿ 1 by 4 upper limit 2 square 4 by 2 plus 4 ಇದು ಮುಗಿದ್ರಿ minus lower limit ಏನೈತಿ minus 1 ಐತಿ 1 by 2 minus 2 ಇದರ ಮುಗಿದ್ರಿ minus ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ 2 cube ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 by 3 minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 by 3. So is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು 2 ones are 2s are 4 plus 2 6 1 by 4 common re 6 minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 2s are 4 1 minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 3 by 4 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus 3 by 2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು minus 8 by 3 minus into minus plus into minus 1 by 3. So LCM ಏನಾಯ್ತು 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by 4 6 LCM ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 6 ಜಾ 36 plus so yesterday 3 3s are 9 minus and 16 minus 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 36 ನ 16 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 20 plus 29 ದ 2 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 27 by 6. So that is 1 by 4 into 27 by 6. So yesterday 2s are 3 2s are 3 9 3s are 27. So that is 9 by 8 4 2s are 8 9 by 8 square units. So this completes the problem. So next ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4x. Next problem right. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4x square is equal to 4x and the line x equal to 3 y square ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಐತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಾ ಹೆಂಗೈತಿ ಎಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಫೇಸ್. So parabola is how it is. We need to know that it is a right face. ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ and x equal to 3. So this is the x equal to 3. So ಇದೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ quadrant ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು double. So that is we find this and we make it as a double. Then ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ bounded by ಯಾವ axis area is equal to so bounded by ಯಾವ axis ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ 0 to 3 bounded by ಯಾವ axis x axis ಅಂದ್ರೆ y dx. So then what happens to this y square is equal to 4x is given, y is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 root x ಅದರಿ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ and it is a double ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡು 2 times of integration of 0 to 3 2 root x into dx 2 into 2 4 0 to 3 root x into dx so is equal to 4 into root x the integral root x the x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 that is 0 to 3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 2s are 8 by 3 that is 3 raised to 3 by 2 minus 0 raised to 3 by 2. So that is 8 by 3 is equal to 8 by 3 into 3 raised to 3 by 2 and 3 into root 3 minus 0. 3 get cancelled in with 3. 8 root 3 square units with square units. So this completes the problem. So in mirror problem we will discuss when we are solving the question papers. So this completes the problem and this completes the chapter, that is the application of integration. Remaining part is already deleted for you. Still some more is there, but it is deleted.